Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am back today with a project share. I had shared that I was making a toilet paper flip book, and I finally completed it. And let's see, I did front and back on the whole thing. I used two little O-rings, put some burlap bows on it, some trim, and I used some Nuvo drops. And then each page of the book has some tags or die cuts in it. When you make the flip book, it makes like a little pocket on the end of each one, so you can include little goodies in it. This is page 2. And I've only put the Nuvo drops on the cover. I have to go back in and do all the other pages. Because since I have to do Nuvo drops, I have to let them dry before I can turn a page. So that's what's going on there. But I made this for a swap that I'm in. This one says sunny, being lazy, soaking up the sun, sweet summertime. You're very sweet. I love this camper. There's a little dragonfly right there behind it. And then of course each pocket has tags or or die cuts in it. And here is the last part. I put the pink trim on the back as well. But that is my toilet paper flip book. And then I made some note cards for a friend, and I thought I would share those. These are just little note cards. Super cute. I thought they turned out so cute. I put a bow and a button. Have some washi tape behind it. So that's the first one. Then I made one that says thank you. And then the bow. I love using bows. I popped up a couple of flowers and another button. This is one of my favorites. It's simple, but it has like the polka dots in the red. It says thank you. And then this one says, you are my sunshine. And then this one says hope and has 4 of the buttons, and then some of the Nuvo drops. And then I made this one. It says the gathering place, home sweet home. And I put a little tag flip. I used a brad, and then it's just like a little booklet in itself. It just has all kinds of kitchen stuff. So it says home sweet home. There's an oven mitt, a whisk and a spatula, a cake on a cake stand, and then just all the things with a little tag down there. So there is that one. This one has a kite on it. It says bless your heart. I used a little washi on it. And then the last one says enjoy the little things. I used some red Nuvo drops. I matted it with a white paper inside so that she can write on it. So that is my project share. I was hoping I could get this done before UPS rings my doorbell, because it will ring through my phone. So I guess I did. But I hope everyone has a wonderful week, and I'll be back soon with another crafty, planner, or beauty video.